Hi guys! Welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. So sa video na ito, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung alin yung mas mainam gamitin na rule for differentiation para sa pag-solve ng isang function or pag-solve ng derivative ng isang function. So halimbawa dito ay ang function na ito defined by y is equal to 4 all over square root of 5x plus 3. So gagamitin natin yung tatlong pamamaraan ng pag-solve ng derivative gamit ang tatlong rule for differentiation. So aalamin natin kung alin sa tatlo ang mas mainam gamitin kung mag-solve ng derivative para makasave tayo ng time, lalong-lalo na sa examination. Kailangan nating mas madali at mas mabilis at wise na pamamaraan sa pag-solve ng derivative. So dito, tuturuan ko kayo kung alin yung mga paraan na maaari nyong gamitin upang ma-solve ang derivative ng function na ito. So, unang derivative na gagamitin natin or yung rule for differentiation, ang unang gamitin natin ay ang rule number 9 or function na rule defined by d over dx, which is kapag may function tayo na defined by 1 over un, so ang rule dyan magiging negative n yung derivative all over un plus 1, tapos derivative of the inside function which is u. So yan. So pero bago ma-apply natin to, kailangan mo natin yung i-change yung denominator ng given function. So, kailangan natin isulat from radical form into exponential form. So, kailangan natin yung isulat ulit. So, from 4 over the quantity of 5x plus 3 to the power of 1/2. So, from radical form, change lang natin to or we transform that one into exponential form. So, ngayon, maaari natin gamitin yung rule na this is D9 or function na rule ng derivative, which is 1 over un. So, magkatulad na sila ng itsura. So, ang pagkakaiba lang, 4 ang constant dito, pero dito is 1. So, 1. Pero mamaya pag-uusapan natin yan kung paano yan makuha ang derivative. So, ngayon, since magkatulad na sila ng itsura, 1 over un, then meron din tayo dito 4 over the quantity 5x plus 3, 1/2. So, masasabi natin, gamit ang format na to, sa pag-solve ng derivative ng function na to, given function, masasabi natin na ang u natin dyan ay equal to this expression which is the quantity of 5x plus 3. Tapos yung n natin dyan, since ang n dito yung exponent, so ang exponent natin dito ay 1/2. So n is equal to 1/2. So using this format, we can now solve the derivative of this function. So you can say dy over dx is equal to, since may 4 tayo dito, tas negative n lang dito, maaari natin yung sabihin na 4 times since negative n and our n is 1/2, so just replace n with 1/2, sorry. Just replace letter n with 1/2 since that is the value of our n, so negative 1/2. So just simply multiply 4 with negative 1/2 since that is the value of our n based on the format of this rule, which is ang pangsyam na rule ng derivative. So then sa ibaba sa denominator u, so yung u natin ay 5x plus 3. So the quantity of 5x plus 3. Then n plus 1. So ibig sabihin 1/2 plus 1. So 1/2 plus 1 since our n is 1/2. Then times the derivative of u. So our u is 5x plus 3. So yan. So ang ginawa lang natin dito ay we substituted the given terms here with the exact value of our given function. So since n dito sa ibabaw, so we replace n with 1/2. Then since negative n yan, so negative 1/2. Again, we have substituted this format with the exact expression and value given from the function. So now we obtain this one using the format which is the 9th rule for differentiation or yung pangsyam na rule for differentiation. So proceed, simplify muna natin to. So negative 1/2, so sabi natin dy over dx, negative 1/2 times 4 na magiging cancelled out yan. So 4 divided by 2, that is 2. So 2 times negative 1, so magiging negative 2 all over. So dito sa expression sa ibaba, we have 5x plus 3. So the exponent 1/2 plus 1, pag in-add natin yan, or combining 1/2 and 1, magiging 3/2 ang exponent. So pagkatapos, kunin natin yung derivative of 5x plus 3. Derivative of 5x plus 3 is times 5 only. Kasi derivative of 5x, that is 5. Derivative of the constant 3 is 0. So 5 plus 0 is 3. Kasi derivative of any constant is 0. Kaya derivative of 5x is 5 only. Then simplifying this expression further, dy over dx is equal to negative 2 times 5, magiging negative 10 all over yung exponent or yung denominator, 5x, the quantity of 5x plus 3. Then yung exponent ay 3 halves. Or pwede rin isulat mo into radical form, or dy over dx is equal to negative 10 all over the quantity of square root of the quantity of 5x plus 3 to the power of raised to the power of 3. So since ito na yung we can no longer simplify this one into simplest form, hindi natin to ma-simplify sa lowest term. So masasabi natin na ito na yung derivative natin. So it can be the denominator expressed in terms of exponential form or in radical form. So maaari na itong sagot natin. So tatandaan natin na gamit ang Pangsiyam na rule, which is this format ng differentiation, rule for differentiation, ang sagot natin ay negative 10 all over the square root of the quantity of 5x plus 3 to the power of 3 or this one. So dadako tayo sa ibang pamamaraan ng pag-solve ng derivative ng function na to. So sa pangalawang rule, gagamitin natin ang product rule. So sa product rule, it is defined by d over dx. Kung may function tayo na expressed in terms of u and v, so ang magiging format niya ay magiging u times derivative of the function b, then plus v derivative of the function u. So aalamin natin dito kung sino yung mas madali gamitin kapag ang function na ibinigay ay ganito yung forma. So yung function ay ganito yung hitsura. So ngayon gamit ang product rule, since may u at b tayo dito pero dito wala tayong makikita, so i-convert muna natin yung function na binigay. So from this expression, maaari natin yung i-rewrite into 4 times the quantity of 5x plus 3 to the power of negative 1 half. Since kapag sinulat natin to, so ang mangyayari dyan, maaari natin isulat into y is equal to 4 over the quantity of 5x plus 3, then 1 half. So yan yung paraan kung paano yan isulat. Tapos kapag inilipat natin tong denominator sa numerator, magiging negative 1 half ang kanyang exponent. Kaya nagkaroon tayo ng 4, y is equal to 4 times the quantity of 5x plus 3, negative 1 half. So ibig sabihin, makagamit na tayo, or maaari natin gamitin yung product rule na ganito ang format. Since may u na tayo, which is 4, at saka yung v natin dyan ay yung pangalawa, which is 5x plus 3, the quantity of 5x plus 3 to the power of negative 1 half. So ito yun, maaari natin gamitin kapag ganito yung itsura ng function na ibinigay. So, again, hindi natin directly magagamit ang product rule kapag ganito. So, kailangan nating hanapan ng paraan para magamitan natin ang product rule. So, i-transform muna natin yung function into this form na naging ganito na siya. So, galing dito, naging ganito, and then naging ganito para ma-apply natin yung product rule. So, yung u natin dyan ay 4, saka yung v natin dyan ay the quantity of 5x plus 3 to the power of negative 1 half. So, yan. Gamit ang rule ng product rule ng differentiation, so maaaring natin sabihin na u, so yung u natin ay 4, then times the derivative of the function v, so yung v natin is equal to the quantity of 5x plus 3 negative 1 half, and then plus v, so yung v natin dyan ay 5x plus 3 to the negative 1 half, copy lang yan, or substitute v with this expression, then derivative of the function u, then ang ating u ay 4, so that is why 4 here. So ang mangyayari dyan, dito, ito na yung format. Ang ginawa natin dito ay we substituted this format with the correct or the value or expression from the given function. So yan, simplify this one further. Aalaman natin kung magkatulad ba talaga silang sagot gamit ang pamamaraan na ito. So we have 4, copy 4. Derivative of 5x plus 3 to the power of negative 1 half. Gagamit tayo ulit ng ibang rule for differentiation. So since may exponent tayo dito, so ang rule for derivative dyan kapag may u to the power of n tayo, so ang mangyayari dyan ay n u to the power of n minus 1 du over dx. So gamit ang format na ito, so we can solve 5x plus 3 to the power of negative 1/2. So our n here is the exponent. So negative 1/2 times u. So our u is 5x plus 3. Then negative 1/2 minus 1. Based on the format here. Then d over dx times u. Yes, du. So our u here is 5x plus 3. So ngayon plus, copy yung 5x plus 3. The quantity of 5x plus 3, negative 1/2. Derivative of the function, derivative of the constant 4 is 0. So mawawala na to kasi derivative of 0 times this expression is 0 na. So ang problema natin ay ito na lang. So negative, kopya muna natin yung 4 dito sa side na to. Then negative 1/2, simplify muna natin siya. Then 5x plus 3. Negative 1/2 minus 1 magiging negative 3/2. Then derivative of the function d over dx 5x plus 3. Derivative of the function 5x plus 3 in terms of x. So ang mangyayari dyan ay magiging times 5 na lang. So simplifying all of this expression. So 4 times 1/2 magiging negative 2 times 5 magiging negative 10. Times dy over dx. Yan. So times, again, 5 times 4, 20. 20 times negative 1/2 magiging negative 10. Then, multiply with 5x plus 3 to the power of negative 3/2. So ngayon, since may negative exponent tayo dito, following the correct way of writing an expression, dapat walang negative exponent. So, ililipat natin yan sa denominator para magiging positive. So, dy over dx is equal to, matitira sa numerator ay yung negative 10 at saka yung buong expression na the quantity of 5x plus 3 to the power of negative 3/2 para magiging positive ang exponent ay lilipat natin siya sa denominator. Kaya nagiging positive 3/2 na. So kung matatandaan ninyo, yung sagot natin sa unang solution gamit ang pangsyam na rule ng differentiation ay negative 10 all over the quantity of 5x plus 3 to the power of 3/2, or you can express that one in terms of radical form. So maring negative 10 all over the square root of the quantity of 5x plus 3 to the power of 3. So, titignan natin uli yung kanina na sagot natin. So, ito yung sagot natin kanina gamit ang rule ng, pangsyam na rule ng differentiation. So, negative 10 all over this one. Right? So, we got the correct answer. So, ito yung pamamaraan gamit ang product rule. So, ang magkatulad lang sila ang sagot. So, pero ang product rule ay mas mahaba-haba yung solution. So yan. So ngayon, sa pangatlong pamamaraan tayo kung paano i-solve ang function na ito gamit ang isa pang pamamaraan. So tingnan nyo kung alin ang mas mabisang gamitin. Yung pangsyamba na rule ng differentiation, yung product rule ba o itong panghuli. So ang panghuli ay gagamitan natin ng quotient rule. So yung quotient rule is defined by the derivative of the function u over v is equal to v derivative of the function d over dx minus u derivative of the function b all over v squared. So ito yung format na gagamitin natin sa panghuling pamamaraan. So itinatawag itong quotient rule. So kung matatandaan niyo or makikita niyo dito, yung 4 natin will represent u at saka yung v is equal to 5x plus 3 in the given function. So yan, just simply following this format, makakuha na tayo ng derivative ng function natin. So yung v, substitute v here. So ang v, base sa given function ay the square root of 5x plus 3. Then times the derivative of the function u. So our u is 4. Then minus u. So our u is 4. Then times the derivative of v. So our v is the square root of 5x plus 3. So yan, all over v squared. So our v is square root of 5x plus 3. Then squared. So ang ginawa natin, we simply substitute the exact value of v, u and v in this format given from the function. So simplifying that one further, ang mangyayari dyan, square root of 5x, so kopya muna natin yan, 5x plus 3, square root of 5x plus 3. Derivative of the constant 4 is 0 kasi derivative of any constant is 0. So minus, kopya muna natin yung 4, times derivative of square root of 5x plus 3. Ang mangyayari dyan, power rule ang gagamitin natin, or yung rule for differentiation na d, kapag may radical symbol, square root of u, ang mangyayari dyan ay du over dx all over 2 square root of u. So, ibig sabihin, yung u natin na gagamitin dyan ay 5x plus 3. So, papalitan natin yung u dito ng 5x plus 3. So, times derivative of u. So, our u is 5x plus 3. Then, all over 2 square root of u. So, u, 5x plus 3 pa rin yan. So, all over, huwag kalimutan yung pinaka-denominator niya, which is the square. So, square root of 5x plus 3 to the power of 2, ang matitira dyan ay 5x plus 3 na lang. So, yan. Then, simplifying this one further, dy over dx. So, square root of 5x plus 3 times 0, so 0 na lang, minus this side. Derivative of, kopya mo na yung 4. So, derivative of the function 5x plus 3, ang mangyayari dyan ay 5x, derivative 5x plus 3, 5. Then, all over yung denominator na 2, square root of 5x plus 3. Then, all over 5x plus 3. So, simplifying this one further, ang mangyayari dyan, dy over dx. So, negative 4, negative times 4, negative 4 times 5, negative 20. Then, or isusulat natin to sa mas mataas na portion. So, sabi natin, negative 4, negative times 4, negative 4 times 5, negative 20. Negative 20. Then, all over 2 square root of 5x plus 3. So, disregard this one. I made a mistake with that one. So, then, all over 5x plus 3. So, kung makikita ninyo dito, may negative 20 can be divided with 2. So, sasabihin natin magiging negative 10 na yan. So, sa dy over dx, negative 20 divided by 2, magiging negative 10 over square root of 5x plus 3. Then, all over 5x plus 3. So, yan. So, to simplify rational expression, so just get the reciprocal of the denominator and multiply that one to the numerator. So, magiging dy over dx. So, yung numerator natin ay negative 10 all over square root of 5x plus 3. So, times reciprocal of the denominator. So, we have 1 over 5x plus 3. So, dy over dx, simplifying that one further. Numerator to numerator, negative 10 all over 5x plus 3 times this expression. So, you will say 5x plus 3 times square root of 5x plus 3. So, since nakikita nyo dito, hindi pa sila magkatulad ng sagot natin kanina, pero maaari silang magkatulad dahil simplify pa natin yan. dy equal to, the derivative of the function y is equal to negative 10. So, kung matatandaan ninyo, maaari natin isusulat tong square root of 5x plus 3 into exponential form. So, 5x plus 3, magiging 1/2 na yan, yung exponent niya. So, negative 10. So, since magkatulad na sila ng base, so maaari natin, since this is power 1, or the exponent of this expression is 1, so maaari natin i-pag-add yung kanilang exponent. So, 1 plus 1/2 magiging 3/2. So, ngayon, nakikita ninyo na magkatulad na sila ng sagot. So, ito yung sagot gamit ang quotient rule. So, ito yung pamamaraan or yung ginawa natin kanina gamit ang quotient rule, or maaari din itong i-convert into radical form. Negative 10 yung denominator. So, magiging square root of the quantity of 5x plus 3 to the power of 3. So, kung matatandaan ninyo, katulad lang sila ng yung sagot natin ngayon sa mga pamaraan natin kanina. So, again, ito yung quotient rule. So, para sa akin, mas madaling gamitin yung una or yung pangsyam na rule ng differentiation kasi mas mataas ang proseso ng product rule tsaka quotient rule kaysa sa pangsyam na rule ng differentiation. So, yan ang ating tatlong pamamaraan gamit ang pangsyam na rule ng differentiation, quotient rule at saka product rule. At sinolve natin yung derivative ng function which is defined by 4 all over the square root of 5x plus 3. So, yan lang guys. Sana may natutunan kayo sa explanation ko. At huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe para sa marami pang videos patungkol sa mathematics, especially in differential calculus. So, maraming salamat at kita-kita tayo sa susunod kong video. Bye-bye everyone and God bless.